So it's pretty cool. I just was playing around with geometry nodes, and I want to figure out a way to make big composite scenes out of independent items, and then have it generate a manifold for me for printing. So this is about as far as I've gotten so far, but if you notice here, it's actually ripping these objects and then revoxelizing them as joined meshes. So you could do this by hand, but it would take forever. But you can see you got a really nice cavity in here, and this would actually print really well, I think. So you can move it all around, and it'll just re-rip it. Some drawbacks are you have to bring each of the objects in that you want to rip one at a time, because doing the collection doesn't give you the relative offsets for each thing, or the scale of rotation, so you're kind of hosed. There might be a way, maybe with the actual vert data in world space, to do it. Maybe if you were to go through like a volume, but right now the way that the geometry nodes are set up, if you can only have one volume per graph, so you can't join two volumes together. You'd have to go through, like, turn them into points or something, and that would make it really ugly looking, because you'd just be bubbly surface. But this is pretty good, and you know, it's not that bad if you drag 15 or so nodes in and just wire this graph up real quickly. Just try a way to like shortcut this binding or something. But yeah, you can do it by hand. So just want to show you guys.